So I'm going to teach you AutoCAD 2014. Just you double click the icon. It's going to be open. So this is a graphical user interface for AutoCAD 2014. The big A is represent the applications icon. Here you can see the lot of options: new, open, save your file, save as again, export the file, publish the file, print your document, etc. And this is a two menu is very important: recent documents as well as the open document. So currently only one document is open. Now this is nothing but a quick as a toolbar. Whatever the options you are go through, the same options available. That's a quick as a toolbar: new, open, save, save as, print, undo, and redo. And this is a workspace. We can change into different workspace, say 3D basics, 3D modeling, and AutoCAD classics. These are the workspace which is used to draw the two-dimensional and a three-dimensional diagram. If you click a 3D modeling, then the total workspace will be changed. So you can extrude the component. Then again you have to change into graphic and annotation. So here plane represent viewports, view controls, whether it is a top view or side views or front views, etc. So there are different views available. So currently it is in top view. Then 2D wireframe, conceptual, even realistic, shaded with air. So these options will be used for a three-dimensional drawing. But as far as the two-dimensional drawing is concerned, only 2D wireframe is enough. This is nothing but the UCS, user coordinate system. So currently it is XY direction, and if you just drag over here, x-axis is indicating red color and y-axis will be indicating green color. Just press and rotate it. Next one is the status bar. Information about the constraint, snap mode, grid. See, if you see the workspace, there are more grid lines will be there. So if you want to hide it, you just press, the whole grid lines will be off. Then this is nothing but ortho mode to draw a vertical and horizontal line with the 90-degree angle. So the ortho mode is used. Next one is a polar tracking to draw a line in inclined manner. At that particular case, the polar tracking is used. Next is object snap. Object snap is like, for example, if I used to draw a straight line like this, then I want to know the midpoint and the end pointer. So if object snap is on, then again you have to click it. See that the green color will be highlighted to show endpoint. This endpoint, if you want to know the midpoint, just click. So there are many options. Just right click and settings. So if you select all the options and press OK, so whenever you used to find out all those features, automatically it would be highlight on the object. Next, always the object snap should be on. That is better to draw. This is 3D object, but currently we have been dealing in two-dimensional objects, so no need. After tracking dynamic UCS, then this is dynamic input. Say if I, if I used to rotate the cursor like this, see that is some interactive elements are highlighted. Specifically, first point. If I used to move towards to this direction, then it will be increased. If I move towards to upward direction, the XS value is changing. So to stop that of the dynamic input, now if I click, then there is no interactive elements. So that's it, the status bar. Next one is keep drawing in 1 is to 1. Annotation scale should be 1 is to 1. See that it is nothing but module. This is a graphic user interface where you can create the geometry. And this is a layer to actually whatever the diagram you are drawn in the model, that will be confined within the space to take print. Next, this will be as well coordinate system. A lot more application, full navigation wheel, pan. Just click the pan, right click on your mouse and drag it. So these are the options is much important. And to release the command, double enter escape. Now I supposed to draw a line. I'm going to teach you how to set the units. So just you type the unit, NIGS units, enter. Then drawing unit dialog box will be open. Set the decimal and precision after a pointer. 2 decimal is enough. And set here is a millimeter. So 1 decimal unit is equal to 1 millimeter. And directions is always the east direction. This direction is 0 degree, and vertical direction towards to upward is a 90 degree. Then left hand side toward west 180, and south 270 degree. So follow the international units, click OK. Now I'm going to talk about the 3 commands which is very much important to draw a 2-dimensional diagram. One will be as line. So just to click the line, and here line specify first point. So either we can begin with 0 comma 0, which means x 0 and y 0, or else you just select the point anywhere on the screen, then specify the next point. So the next point is say x axis 10 comma y axis 0, enter. So draw a straight line. See that what happened if you used to draw a straight line, there will be little inclination. So in order to make it as straight, just click ortho mode on. Now it is constrained to move in 2 directions, vertical as well as horizontal direction. So now you can give next point is 10, enter, zoom it, 10, enter, 10, enter, then see endpoint, close it. Now we got the square. Next, if you On the dynamic input, select the line, select the X point is 0, 0, tab 0, enter. Next, of the dynamic input, well, circle, many types will be there. Center radius, next is center diameter, next 2-point circle, 3-point circle, tangent radius, and 3 tangent, tangent, tangent. Create a circle tangent to 3 objects. So now, first I'm going to draw a center, create a circle using center point and radius. Just click it. Circle specify center point for circle. Just click it, arbitrary point. Just drag here. Specify the radius of the circle, say 50. Then enter. Next one is center diameter. Click this option. Click here. Specify the diameter of the circle. Say 150. The diameter. Enter. Next, just pan. Next to 2-point circle. 2-point circle. Like if you have a straight line like this, just click a 2-point circle and click this point and click this point, so that you can create the circle in this manner. Next one is a 3-point circle. So like another vertical line I am going to draw. Select the 3-point circle, first point, second point, third point. So the 3-point circle is formed. Next, tan radius. So off the ortho mode, draw a 2 inclined line. Within that I am going to draw a option, draw a circle, tangent radius. So if you touch the line, the green color icon will be highlighted. See here, the tangential symbol will be highlighted. Tangent symbol is highlighted. So just click anywhere on the line, and here also you have to click anywhere on the line. Specify the radius of the circle, say 200. Enter. So within the specified point, the circle will be formed. Next one, tangent. So in this case, another line that I am going to draw. Select the tangent. First two circles. So those are the options is very much important to use. Second one is the arc. Different arcs will be there. 3-point arc, start, center, end, start, center, angle, start, center, length, start, end angle, start, end direction, start, end radius, center, start, end, center, start, angle, center, start. So there is not much difference between this and this. Okay. So first let me start to draw. Okay. First 3-point arc I supposed to draw 3-point arc. Now so first 3-point arc. This is the first point. This is the second point. To control the direction is changed. You press the control key and drag your cursor, then the total um, direction is changed. Second, start, center, end. Select, start, center, end. So the arc is formed. Next, start, center, and select it. Start point of arc, center point of arc, angle which include angle say 45 degree, enter. So the angle of inclination is about 45 degree. Next, start, center, length. Start, center, and say 180. Start, center, length. Start, center point, length. So likewise you can draw center, start, end, center, start, angle, as well as center, start, length. Now I am going to draw a start, end angle, start, end direction, and start, end radius. So first one is start, end angle. Start, click the end point, 0 of the UCS. It is 0 degree, so just click 45, enter. So the angle between this 45 degree. Next, start pen direction. The tangent direction can be specified either by locating, just click it, draw a line like this, select this, so this is a tangent to the circle, so click. This way we can use to draw. Then start end radius, select this, start end point, then radius. Radius, next one is a Continuar. So first begin with this 3-point arc. Then if you select the Continuar, from the tangent shape will be start. Then again if you select the continuous arc, where you left previously, the same point is will start. Repeat arc. That's it. So to get all in single window, just insert, represent as zoom, and A represent as all. So all the diagram, whatever I did from top to bottom, it will shown in single window. I select it and delete it. That's it. That's the end of the class today. Want to exit this AutoCAD? Just click and close. Save changes